Yeah, here we have a Milwaukee magnetic base drill press. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. Hit the magnet button, and what we're going to do is go 1. I'm going to turn the speed up a little bit here, as you can see. The variable speed. We'll hit the on/off button, and we'll go in the opposite direction, which is reverse. Turn it off, and then we'll turn the magnet off. We check the magnet. Magnet works very good. This is a swivel base on here, so you can swivel it left and right. And also, you move it up and down. That's your top of height right there, and let it back down there a little bit. So the tightness is adjustable by the screws right here on the side. And this screw right here, it's in very good condition, runs excellent. Includes a chuck key, your hold down chain, your hold down clip, the instruction and parts manual. And we thank you for looking at our